Are you looking for an easy camp kitchen setup? Are you not sure where to start when it comes to packing for a weekend of camping and how to cook? When I was a beginner, I was looking for the same types of information. In this video, I'll be going over the very basic items you need to cook almost anything when camping. If you stick around, I'll be sure to give you the list for my entire kitchen setup. Hey, it's ABratt here from ABratt Outdoors. I've dedicated this channel to helping everyday people get more comfortable being outdoors through thoughtful tips and tricks. If you're new here, be sure to click the subscribe button so you can get more videos on camping essentials. The links to everything I mentioned in this video will be placed in the description box below. Let's dive in. The following is a list of my minimal items when I want to keep things simple. You need heat to cook and a container to hold the food. Done! Stove and fuel, a pot with a lid, a spork. That looks scary minimal, right? It's really not, especially if you keep your dinner plans simple, like one skillet dishes or rehydrating pack meals. What couldn't you live without? Comment below. These are a few extra items that make a camp kitchen a little more like cooking at home. They're totally optional items, but they're kind of handy if you don't mind bringing some extra things with you. Okay, not necessary, but totally kind of nice. Spatula, plate, cutting board, pot koozie, bag koozie, a windscreen, a small grill grate, some kind of cleaning cloth, soap, lighter, and a pocket knife. Okay, this list I'm about to share with you is my everything, including the kitchen sink camp kitchen list. You pretty much can cook almost anything at a moment's notice, but still want to be prepared. So be sure to click that link description below to see the full list. If you'd like more videos on camping essentials or camping basics, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for my next video. I'll be talking about the 10 essentials that you should always have with you. Camping, hiking, backpacking, mountain climbing, paddling, pretty much when you're doing anything outdoors. Happy camping. Say hi. No, no.
No, go away. Go away.
You just want to be up here. Look right there. Say hi. Hi, everybody.